To change default music application in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings icon. Select Apps, and then select Default Apps, and then on music player, select music player default, and then select music player you want to set as default. For example, Windows Media Player. Just wait. Or you can also change default music player application. Right click on Start menu icon and then select Apps and Features. Tap Default App and then select music player default, and then select application you want to set as default. For example, Groove Music. Please wait. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.